Greetings to all my Jamaican brothers and sisters. Anywhere on the day, far in, near in, yard. Greetings. Miss Pat's coming to you again with our idea and solution talk, and we're still upon the topic of crime. This is episode 7, and it's still going on. As me say, it's a big thing. The crime is not a small thing. So today, we don't talk about the crime and the involvement of the politicians, because the politicians them create a lot of the crime. There is no joke about it, and a lot of people know about it, and them they hide it. We have to be truthful and face the facts that a lot of the politicians are tied up into the crime. And the one them were in it know themselves. And know nothing for hide, them know themselves. And how me see it? Me see it as dirty people who no care for them country. They no love nobody, they love power. And then we do anything and use anybody for power. Uno know uno self. That is what me they tell you. Uno know uno self. When a man say him a politician, him supposed to be a nice person, you know. But as far as what me see, some of uno wicked. Uno wicked. Uno no care about the youths. All uno care about is the power. So, me no see why a politician should have involve himself in a crime. Him shouldn't be guilty of that at all. He must set things clear, but for some reason, I know so he go. So, the things them want to do, you find these young guys and you set them against each other. So you give them some gun and you tell them, say, I want you to be the dan for this community, you know. And you feel leader, so, and guess what? You so a PNP, and I don't want to make no labor right come in, so. And that's so you do it. The other side go pan and go in one next community and you say, watch ya. See some gun ya. It's a labor right territory. We no want no PNP come in there. But listen to what happened. And no aliens, I no said brother and sister, look into that big picture the boss. Look into it before you take the gun. Say the politician who come there and give you the gun fi kill your brother and sister no care about you. He no care about none of you, because if he won't care, he would have never carry a gun come you. It is a democratic country, you know. A two party. And only one can be in at a time. And no politician no have the power over you to choose who to vote for, or you to make that the choice there. No politician no have no gun, they give to no boy, they distribute to nobody. And because say, them know who no that bright, who no happy for the gun, them glad for you know. Them no care. Them give no to defend what? To defend who? Who asks? The people them will ask, so them want no leader for the community. Your job is not to be a murderer. Your job is not to be a murderer. You protect your brothers and your sister. You not kill them. You no just not understand politics. And a long time we they have this a problem. And it not go away. And the more we have dunce people, and the more we have the gunman and the murderer them. And the politician them not help. No politician is not supposed to be in any group a boy what call himself gunman. No politician not supposed to tie up in that. None. It not supposed to happen. No, not supposed to have no group. It not supposed to happen. Just as our police cannot be your friend as a murderer. It not supposed to happen. No politician, no member of parliament, no councillor, no representative of the government shouldn't have any group of gangster what them in charge of. And they pretend like say they're not part of it. It shouldn't happen. No politician shouldn't help in a community with no bad man. Shouldn't happen. Never, never, never. It shouldn't happen. And this is what we have to deal with. Another thing, what some man know they do? Jump up and down and they talk about me a ban labor right, me a ban PNP, and he in me blood. No, it's not. You know, ban PNP and not ban labor right, and you know in your blood. You may ban in a family who PNP forever and GLP forever. That not make you be it. When you ban boss, you're just a sponge ready for absorb thing. Okay? So you're not ban PNP and you're not ban GLP. And you know in your blood. Because if you get sick and go to hospital and you need blood, them now go look for people who are PNP or GLP to give you blood. If find a match, because no go so. Who no forget rid of them, they same thing. Them they sit they gone long time. Done with, drop that. Drop that. It's stupid, illiterate. It no sound good. And me don't live and die forever as a PNP. Me don't live and die forever as a GLP. No go so, boss. No go so. What you do is, when you grow and you keep growing and become a bigger person, and you start to know about politics, all you have to do, I just watch the politician them, watch the party and see who makes sense to you, who have your interests at heart, who willing to work in your community, help the people in the community. And so you choose your leader. You don't choose your leader through gangster business. Because a politician will offer you that. No have nothing to offer to the country. Him is just a low-life person. That's how me see it. And how you no feel? If you know someone don't take a gun, if you kill no brother and sister because you know they on phone side, you know help the situation. You know help, you know. The only thing happen is just you have blood on your hand. As simple as that. That's all you have. We don't have to do that. We don't have to do that. We pass them the same thing the long time. When we say we pass it, we pass them the same thing there. So what? The politician come and he give some gun to control some people. And then he come back again and him say, me have some more gun to give some other guys, so you distribute them the gun there. And so now have a big group now where everybody afraid of you. And what happened? We no live in a one here and no say this a PNP or that a GLP. And nobody can come in and all of them the same thing there. The top part of the street a PNP, the bottom part a GLP. That's a bullshit, man. Them they sit they done with long time. And then look how no fool. This a plague with for years, for centuries, this a plague with. Couple days before election then come. And what then do? They hand out some rice and flour and chicken to some of the people. Like say, uno na go need finiam tomorrow and the day after and next week and next month and for the rest of the year. That the little food can suffice, And uno not think about them the same thing there. Uno just take it and just galan so, boy, me get one chicken in and give me one bag of flour and 10 pound bag of flour and something. And guess what? Uno live in a one house with 10 of uno. How long that don't last, Uno fi think, Kaya. Uno fi think. It not go last no time. It's a short time. You don't have to be a GLP for the rest of your life. You don't have to be a PNP for the rest of your life. Because here how you can do it. You can't vote PNP for your government and say, me need a change for have the PNP as a government. But when you come on to the parish council election, you choose a GLP councillor. Why? Because you see your councillor in your area and you see what him they do for the community. So you say, yeah, I him that we choose. And so it's supposed to go now. Nobody not supposed to kill nobody for nobody. Nobody not supposed to control nobody and say this is who you vote for. No politician no figure you no gun. And a lot of them guilty of it. And I hope no politician they listen. Because the most no can do, when no hear, no start to swallow, no pit. Because no know say no guilty. And no gunman and murderer, when no listen to this. No leg for shake. And no hear them for their bap. Because no know say the truth. You get up them make them fool no. When them coming out no era boss, tell them say we no want no gun, we need community center. You know what the problem we don't know? We no too damn tribal. And that they killing you. We no too tribal. How we no want go read? We no go read a book here. Go read a book. Because if we no can read, you no do certain things. When you know better, you do better. And them no want to know better. They want to keep you at that level. And that is what we no see. We no have no phone. The whole of you have phone. And we no look on no self-help. We no can say, boy, make me follow them and sit there. No, we no gravitate towards them they sitting there. Everybody want to have a gun. And we no want the politician them use you. How long we no take that? How long we no take that? Nothing no go so, boss. Nothing no go so. They not do nothing for you no. So, the funny thing, it's so sad. I just if you are no say no a gangster. Uno they protect them now, some uno not him they vote, cause some uno do know if you go in a polling station now if you put the X. Uno do know. Uno yeah, I hope now uno can't see, but uno can't friggin' read. But uno they fire gun for politician, uno so damn fool. Look how uno they do. Uno they do all of that for them. Uno they kill people for them. You kill your brothers and your sisters for them. Them they live the big life. Them live up on the hill, they look down upon uno. And for years uno they do that, they kill for them. And uno after they deal with the sins of killing people for them. And uno still in the ghetto, they suffer for them food. Uno still they struggle. Listen, boss. When you murder somebody for a politician, you know. And when you not see him for a while, nothing happen. You can't go in a parliament, go look for him and say, what, boss? A long time, I no see you, me no depend nothing, me no have no food, me no have no boss. Right now, the bullet them done. You can't do that. Because him they go get you killed. So why bother? Why bother? Waste no time. The whole of them, they live big life. The whole of them have them big mansion and you know have nothing. Them pity they go to university, then send them pity they go abroad for go to school. And you know have nothing but you know they kill for them. Really? You know get up they kill for them and you know see and think and say, boy, no man, them they sitting in a again for me. No. So what me they tell you no murderer boy gangster? When the politician them come in on no era, for no do them dirty bidding, tell them say, uno no depend at the level, they no more. Uno done with that. If they want help, uno, build uno a community center. Tell them to build uno a community center so uno can learn trade. Uno have a sporting place, uno can go let off uno energy, play all kind of game. And them they sit there them for uno, no give uno gun. Because them now move uno forward and they carry uno backward and uno not see that. Look how much I want to kill for many years for these people. How uno not have nothing for sure. Them they drive around in a big car, they blow around their hand at uno where none see uno. How uno hungry like a dog to rotted. Is that what uno want? And they jump up and down the top about why? Me a ban labor right, me a ban socialist. Bullshit. Bullshit. You know, ban as that boss. When they turn on yourself in an idiot and at time when you tap them the shit there. You know, make no sense. And you know, As some of uno family what they abroad what they talk about. Why? Me want come home man, but me afraid, you know. Afraid of who? Uno know say uno never a gunman. Uno know say uno cousin a gunman and uno brother a gunman. So uno afraid of? Uno not afraid of them. Uno afraid of the other gunman them. And where that put uno? And where you put the country? Nowhere. Nowhere. We just go backward. You when think about it. All of summer who know what's on a hitman, they pay these little boy, these little young youths to go do no dirty job. And because you no coward. And because you no coward. So you left them to go do the no dirty job. And you sit down now in a big house. They wait for when the click go off and you hear it. And they make a phone call and say, yeah man, me get rid of him. And you feel big. No, you're just a dirty man. You're lower than the scum of the earth. You're lower than the scum of the earth. And if you're a woman and you do that, you're just a dirty woman, lower than the scum of the earth. Because the youth where you help and uplift, you just send him to go murder people for you. You know a coward. You know nothing. You know not uplift the country. Me not think you no read that well either. Because if you no really read that well, you no wouldn't do that. Think about how much young people dead in 2023, 2024. I'm sure no say the thousands of them were dead. Me no say out of that, me no think 10 of them they over 50. And as a matter of fact, me no think 10 of them over 40 years old. Be a young boy. All young people, innocent dead. For what? No reason. I mean, they say, all of the one them what they bought still. You no look into it and say, rotted so and so dead and you know make no sense. What? Man, Chuck, me not think me don't bother with this. You no can't think like that. You no not get nothing out of it. Nothing sweet, sweet. He dirty. You no need to drop that man and start think different. Start thinking to a different way. The country cannot continue like this. We can't make the crime continue like that. Because one of the days, one man wake up and realize, say, we don't have a say in the country no more. No have a damn say. I don't make go certain place no more. Because guess what? The Chinese them take over on our ass. And no can go America. So you know how you become slaves. You become slave to your own country. Slave. Because you not read the picture right. You they kill off on your own. And that's why the person on the side, the Chinese the on the side, they watch you and say, I idiot. This a place that's too beautiful for you. So what? Me glad they kill each other so we can take it from you. Read the picture, boss. Read the big picture. Open your eye. Open your brain and think. Think about what you want left for your pity them. You want to grow and live long life so your pity them can see you. You want to turn grandpa, great-grandpa. Your mama want to see her son live and reach somewhere in life. Instead of that, the fire gun. And they fired for politician. You know how idiot. Them they sitting there done with long time. Nobody no need to be nothing else more than you feel like you want to go vote or you go do your thing. That's it. And choose who you feel to vote for. Too much crime. Too much killing. Too much innocent young people just dead so for no reason. And still none of you can't figure it out. Say, this thing no pay no more. It don't make no sense. The time you drop this. You know, when Obama come to Jamaica, him say something that was the greatest little sentence ever. And him say, the best thing Jamaica can do is to invest in the young people. That's it. As simple as that. Invest in the young people. Because you know the future, You know the future. But the way how they murder each other, look like we don't have nobody left. And who they did it? Again, me they say the Chinese they did it and take over on our ass. The few I know what they left back. That's what gonna happen. Because uno not really care. Uno seems to understand what's going on. And the government nah make no investment in our uno. There is no care whatsoever. And it hurts like hell. I'm going to sit down and talk with a whole lot of people about it. And it's like we're not seeing no improvement with anything for the young people. Oh, you feel have a country that run and you not set the young people for the future. And who don't take over alien them? As soon as we young people go to university, they left, then gone abroad. Because what? They don't have no job. And then the government, they say, we don't have people to do these things and what. Them don't have the capacity. Who don't train them? As simple as that. That's what you need to do. You need to train them. So you don't have to complain. People supposed to finish high school and can read and write proper. Everything gone down to nothing. It is sad, man. It is sad. It is low. It's beneath Jamaica. We can do better than that, boss. We can do better than that. So no politician, me they tell you no. Uplift the youth, them stop give them gun for fire for each other. Because the power we not have now go last forever. It will never last forever. Because nobody no live forever. And just as all the gunman, they murder people and drop dead, who know don't drop dead said way. Who know don't drop dead said way. Let me tell you something, gun boy. Murderer. You see police. You no can't be friend with police, you know. Policeman can't be your friend. And that you no. Him cannot be your friend. He can be your friend just for a moment. Him trained for kill. That's him job. He's like a lion. A lion just live for hunt. Tear up any other animal and see when he's hungry. That is like a police. Him trained for kill. You can't be him friend. You no can't have no policeman in no pocket. You no can't just have them for a period of time. But just see the day come when time you can deliver, in they kill your ass. As a matter of fact, him not even have to kill you. In they send him friend to come kill you. Because the thing is, him know everything about you. So those are who think you have police friend they help you in the crime. Sooner or later, then they go drop you. Believe me, then they go drop you because they don't care. You know, just another number for them. Some of them trigger happy too, you know. Some of them are murderer themselves, a gunman. So no need to read this thing, boss. Look on the big picture. I mean, I care. Miss Pats really care. Me care above all. Me really care. And me always say, uno shouldn't have to dead like that. And some of uno just need somebody to reach out to uno. That's all I need. And the other thing is, all of you born with a purpose. Every one of you as murderer, rapist, all of you born with a purpose. And all of you born with a talent. Every one of you. You just not have no little outlet. No little outlet. Nobody fi push you no means and ways. So that's why someone will not turn to the crime. No talent shouldn't have to use for that. Me very sure all of you have a talent, and it's not to be a gunman. It's not to fire a gun. And I wish you can look deep down in yourself and say, you know what? Me can't do this no more. Me simply can't do this no more. Want something better for my life. And I hope this is the year where you can look into it and do that. Because we know say nobody know. We know, we see say you kill some people. We see you they wear the clothes. We see it. We know, man. But the only thing when they tell us say, the little money we don't have, we don't just put it together. and make a ratty George factory and start juice them fruit. There's fruit they what we have. A whole lot of different species of fruits we have a yard. Go and juice them. Set that up good for employ a whole heap of youths. And want to juice them, they sitting there, you can export to all different countries. Because at no time will we be out of juice. And that you know fi do. Go on pan your grandpa land. Go look about some cow. Go and go rear some cow. You can't get beef. You can't get cow skin for cook. You get milk. Go and go raise some chicken. When you have more per chicken, you have to buy. When you end up start selling them. From the chicken, you don't get egg. You get chicken, fried chicken, jerk chicken, anything curry chicken, name it. I want to sell egg. Go and go raise some goat here. Go and go raise some goat. And when you raise a goat, them, you don't need to curry goat every day. And that's what you need to do. I'm going to talk again to people who say you live in a gated community and they fight for gated community. The whole of you are idiot. For one thing, you can't live in a gated community and burglar bar up on yourself. So that no make no sense at all. That is stupidness. All idiot all around. You in a gated community, they pay for that, the kind of security there. And every window burglar bar, every crib's burglar bar. Nonsense. The other thing we don't need to know, the gunman live right there, we don't know. So once again, we know I idiot again. He live in there, we don't know. And stop wasting no money about the burglar bar up house. You think no gunman they can look for you to kill you and sit down at a door, they serve the burglar bar? You don't have time for that. You see gunman they kill nobody at night, them not do that. The boy them brave, they do it at daytime. They don't need to wait for night. So no they waste no money for burglar bar. If I do it, you know do it as a style and design, that's okay. But if you do it for security reason, that's bullshit. Waste some money, waste some time. Stop it. There's no gated community where nobody can go in. Because guess what? The gunman they pay the security. If him not live there, they pay the security. If you in there and him need you, him can go in there anytime he want. So no need to cut that shit out. Come with something different. Let us work together. Let us help these youths. Let us build back Jamaica. Let it be crime free. That's what we need. Me need back my sweet, sweet Jamaica. A whole lot of people need it back. So me they tell you no gunman, just cease fire. Done with it. It not necessary no more. It really not necessary. We just done with that. Just done with that. Go and go carrying all your gun. Pack them up in a box, carry to a police station. Giving yourself to the police if you know you murder everybody. Just deal with it like that. Because guess what? Again, me telling you not get no reward. You don't get no ceremony. You don't get dirt. And you don't have to get dirt. You can get something different and better. And that is called a wonderful life. You must be willing to want it. A whole lot of people out there willing to work with you. Ready and willing. But you have to want it. So, go and go run with what I say, you know, if you do. Factory. Take on your grandpa land, work the land, farm it. Plant yam, banana, cocoa, do all of that. Me spot tired for beg you know. Me de beg you know do. Make 2026 be one good year where we don't have to have no crime. Please, it start, you know, it start when they shoot up. But no make the middle of the year catch with they shoot. By June, the whole of you figure up no gun. If you not do that and make the change, you will be surprised what Jamaica will be like. You will be surprised to see our own coming home to invest. You all will surprise. You all will reap the benefit of it too. So that's all me they ask you. Just drop on a gun higher. What we move forward. It's a beautiful country. One of the most beautiful country on the earth. And that one they create the problem. So, I just want to know my spots care. I really care. So, no go and walk good. Take care of yourself. And my spot will catch you now again. My spot's out.